Certainly, here are 10 Stoic philosophies that can guide anyone towards a richer and more fulfilling life. Please subscribe, share, and comment. Thanks. Focus on what you can control. Understand that you cannot control external events, only your reactions to them. This helps in maintaining inner peace and reducing unnecessary stress. Practice gratitude. Regularly reflect on what you are thankful for. This shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have, fostering contentment and happiness. Live in accordance with nature, accept the natural course of life and align your actions with it. This means understanding and embracing the impermanence and unpredictability of life. Cultivate virtue. Strive to develop virtues such as wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. These are the foundations of a good character and a fulfilling life. Embrace adversity. View challenges and setbacks as opportunities for growth and self-improvement. Adversity is a chance to practice resilience and fortitude. Practice mindfulness. Stay present and fully engage with the current moment. This helps in reducing anxiety about the future and regrets about the past. Seek wisdom. Continuously pursue knowledge and understanding. Wisdom is not just about acquiring information, but also about applying it to live a better life. Maintain perspective. Keep a broad perspective on life. Remember that many of the things we worry about are insignificant in the grand scheme of things. Act with integrity. Be honest and true to your principles, even when it is difficult. Integrity builds trust and respect, both from others and within yourself. Practice self-discipline. Develop the ability to control your impulses and desires. Self-discipline is key to achieving long-term goals and maintaining a balanced life. Accept impermanence. Recognize that everything in life is temporary. This acceptance helps in letting go of attachments and reduces suffering when things change or end. Practice empathy. Understand and share the feelings of others. Empathy fosters stronger relationships and a deeper connection with those around you. Strive for tranquility by avoiding unnecessary desires and distractions. Inner peace comes from within, not from external circumstances. Live a simple life, free from excess and unnecessary complexity. Simplicity brings clarity and focus to what truly matters. Take time each day to reflect on your actions and thoughts. Self-reflection helps in recognizing areas for improvement and celebrating progress. Be prepared for the worst. Mentally prepare for potential challenges and difficulties. This practice, known as premeditatio malorum, helps in reducing fear and anxiety about the future. Value time. Treat time as a precious resource. Use it wisely and avoid wasting it on trivial matters. Time is one of the most valuable assets we have. Seek balance. Strive for balance in all aspects of life, including work, relationships, and personal growth. Balance leads to a more harmonious and fulfilling life. Practice humility. Recognize your limitations and stay humble. Humility allows for continuous learning and growth, and it fosters respect from others. Foster community. Engage with and contribute to your community. Building strong connections and supporting others enriches your life and the lives of those around you. Practice detachment. Learn to detach from material possessions and outcomes. This doesn't mean you don't care, but rather that you don't let them control your emotions. Embrace change. Accept that change is a natural part of life. Embracing change allows you to adapt and grow rather than resist and suffer. Seek solitude. Spend time alone to reflect and recharge. Solitude helps in gaining clarity and understanding your true self. Be honest with yourself. Practice self-honesty and acknowledge your flaws and strengths. This self-awareness is crucial for personal growth and integrity. Cultivate patience. Develop the ability to wait calmly for what you desire. Patience helps in managing frustration and maintaining a positive outlook. Live with purpose. Define your purpose and align your actions with it. Living with purpose gives your life direction and meaning. Practice forgiveness. Let go of grudges and forgive others. Forgiveness frees you from the burden of anger and resentment. Appreciate the power of silence and use it to listen and reflect. Silence can be a source of wisdom and peace. Build resilience to bounce back from setbacks. Resilience is key to overcoming challenges and continuing to move forward. Show compassion towards yourself and others. Compassion fosters kindness and understanding, creating a more harmonious world. Practice self-restraint. Exercise control over your impulses and desires. Self-restraint helps in maintaining focus and avoiding distractions. Embrace mortality. Reflect on the inevitability of death. This practice, known as memento mori, encourages you to live fully and appreciate each moment. Seek justice. Strive to be fair and just in all your dealings. Justice is a cornerstone of a virtuous life and fosters trust and respect. Cultivate joy. Find joy in simple pleasures and everyday moments. Joy enhances your overall well-being and outlook on life. Practice generosity. Be generous with your time, resources, and kindness. Generosity enriches both the giver and the receiver. Value friendship, nurture meaningful relationships, and be a loyal friend. Strong friendships provide support and enrich your life. Embrace humility. Recognize that you don't have all the answers and be open to learning from others. Humility fosters growth and wisdom. Practice courage. Face your fears and take bold actions when necessary. Courage is essential for overcoming obstacles and achieving your goals. Seek harmony. Strive for harmony in your relationships and environment. Harmony creates a peaceful and balanced life. Be flexible and open to change. Adaptability helps you navigate life's uncertainties with grace. Speak thoughtfully and with intention. Mindful speech fosters clear communication and reduces misunderstandings. Appreciate the power of silence and use it to listen and reflect. Silence can be a source of wisdom and peace. Seek balance in all aspects of life, including work, relationships, and personal growth. Strive for balance as it leads to a more harmonious and fulfilling life. Practice self-compassion. Be kind and forgiving to yourself. Self-compassion helps in overcoming setbacks and maintaining a positive self-image. Embrace simplicity. Live a simple life, free from excess and unnecessary complexity. Simplicity brings clarity and focus to what truly matters. Seek knowledge. Continuously pursue knowledge and understanding. Wisdom is not just about acquiring information, but also about applying it to live a better life. Practice detachment. Learn to detach from material possessions and outcomes. This doesn't mean you don't care, but rather that you don't let them control your emotions. Value time. Treat time as a precious resource. Use it wisely and avoid wasting it on trivial matters. Time is one of the most valuable assets we have. Be honest with yourself. Practice self-honesty and acknowledge your flaws and strengths. This self-awareness is crucial for personal growth and integrity. Seek solitude. Spend time alone to reflect and recharge. Solitude helps in gaining clarity and understanding your true self.